The Volo X EZ AI drone flies and functions perfectly right out of the box, regardless of whether it's registered or not. You do not need a registration to experience everything this drone can do. However, it is fully FAA certified and comes factory equipped with the most advanced remote ID chip. So if you do choose to register it, we've made the process incredibly simple. So in this video, we're breaking down the exact step-by-step process so you can get set up within minutes and back in the air where you belong with Volo X EZ AI. Let's go ahead and dive in. Make sure your drone and remote are both on, otherwise the FAA register button won't appear. Click the FAA register button that only appears when both drone and remote are on. Here's where you'll find your drone's unique serial number, which you'll need to complete registration. The serial number shown here is for example purposes only, so make sure to use the unique serial number that appears on your specific remote controller. To register with the FAA, first make sure you're on their official website seen here. There are a number of scam sites paying to appear at the top of Google search results, so type the URL in manually rather than searching for it. You'll see this confirmation on the correct site. Also, keep in mind registration only costs $5, so if you're being charged more than that, it means you're on a fake lookalike site. To register, first create an account by clicking here. Scroll to the bottom and hit agree. Simply fill out the form and press create account. The FAA will send you a verification email. Open that email and press verify account. Now your account is verified and you can log in. Click add a service. Scroll down to the third option, drone owners and pilots. Choose this option and then add service at the bottom. To complete registration, launch the drone owners and pilots dashboard. Since most of our customers fly for fun, you'll likely want to choose the Recreational flyer option. Fill in your address info that will be used to cover the $5 FAA registration fee. Check the box and click Next. Now click Add Device and fill in your drone's details. Remember, this is a premium hobby drone equipped with standard remote ID, so click Yes here. Then enter your unique RID serial number, which we showed you earlier where to find it on your remote. After entering your serial number, click Validate. This is how the FAA confirms whether the manufacturer and drone are fully compliant with federal regulations. Now, if you end up seeing an invalid serial number error, there's a very simple solution. This is one of the most common mistakes users make, and it's usually just a simple typing error, such as the extra number 3 I added here for this example. When copying a long string of characters, it's easy to misread them. The most common two culprits are typing the letter S instead of the number 5, or typing capital O rather than 0. Just make sure to double check, because I promise you it'll work. After many years of helping pilots register, we've also noticed that sometimes registering on a mobile phone can occasionally trigger a false invalid serial number error, even if it's typed perfectly. Feel free to try your phone first if it's easier, but if it keeps giving you trouble, hop on over to a laptop or desktop computer to complete the process. Now you may notice your screen shows the manufacturer as Drone-Clone Xperts and the model name LIMITLESS 5. This is exactly what you should see, because for certain electronic components, DCX Unlimited partners with Drone-Clone Xperts Incorporated, a company with nearly a decade of experience in the drone industry and an award-winning 5-star reputation. Most importantly, they're a well-established American drone company where their expertise and proven FAA-accepted remote ID technology help make the registration process simple, reliable, and 100% hassle-free for all Volo X EZ AI drone owners. So notice, all you actually need to type in is your serial number and then the nickname Volo X EZ AI. Then click Add Device and you'll notice it's added to your screen, then press Next. And the final step is paying the registration fee, which is only $5 and covers all your drones for 3 years. Once you pay, they'll email you a certificate of registration. Now all that's left is for you to take the trust test, which we provided an excellent study guide for you right here.